Hi guys, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. Today I will show you how to rotate photos on Android 16. So as you guys see, I'm already on my Android 16 and I will head to photos. And as you see, you pick a photo you would like, click edit, then go to the crop section and click on the second icon right here to flip it upside down, or you can rotate it whichever way you would like. Click save, and that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Leave a like and subscribe, and see you guys in the next one.